Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I do apologize for the darkness in this video. It's 7 o'clock at night and it's super dark outside, but this is when I had time to film. Today I'm going to show you guys these hair extensions. I like to wear extensions because my hair has been thinning out a lot in the last few years because it's been falling out and it's really sad. These are the Infinitude hair extensions. I can't remember which ones I got. They came in this box right here. These are 100% human hair and they are virgin as well. So that means that this hair has never been dyed or chemically treated in any way. I can't remember how long these are. It doesn't say on the box, which I wish they did. They have extensions that go as long as 24 inches. So this is how the hair weft looks. These are really high quality. These are not my exact hair color. As you can see, my hair is a little lighter. I have dark brown hair. So one of the things that's hardest for me when choosing hair extensions online is getting a color that is my color exactly. I could probably get away with wearing it actually. From what I can tell in the camera, it looks pretty close to my hair color, but like looking at it in person, it's a little bit darker. It only came with one. I only got one hair weft, but I am amazed at how well the hair is sewn onto the hair weft, and the hair weft is very thick too. Okay, so I actually got number 1B in natural black, and these are 20 inches. So I'm not gonna show you guys how to apply these because there are no clips on this weft. They do have clip-in wefts, but they just sent me the ones that don't have them. The only reason I don't like that is because I can't wear these right away, and I would really like to because of the quality. It's not that big of a deal. I'll just have to sew in clips. That's just going to take more time. If you don't know how to sew in clips onto hair extensions, then I wouldn't recommend getting these, but sewing in clips is very easy to do, and you can find tutorials on YouTube on how to do it. So if you know how to do that, then I would get these because they're really good quality and they're not going anywhere. Also, these hair extensions will last up to a year at least with proper care. In my experience with hair extensions, they can last longer than that. It really just depends on how often you wear them and how well you take care of them. So the good thing about these is there are so many different colors of hair on their website. They have 7 brunette shades, 12 blonde shades, 6 redhead shades, and 7 fashion colors, which I believe means like purples and reds and greens or whatever, things like that. So chances are you will find something that's your shade. The kind of downside about these is they're a little bit pricey. However, that is super normal for good quality hair extensions when you're getting good quality, which these definitely are. There are all kinds of different extensions on their website. They have tape-in, hidden tape-in, hair wefts without the clips. They have clip-ins, they have ponytail ones or clip-in bangs, so many different kinds. So the prices vary on whatever you're trying to get, but if you guys are interested in checking them out, I will have a link down below for you guys. My biggest piece of advice is if you are looking for hair extensions, please invest in a good set because it really is worth it. I've experienced cheap ones before. They fall apart super easily and they look cheap and they don't feel healthy and soft. They look fried and dry and they're just do not do it. Please invest in a good set of hair extensions because it'll last you so much longer and it'll be cheaper in the long run because then you won't have to buy more for a very long time. So I'll have their link down below as well as my Instagram links down below too if you guys are interested in following me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave them down below and I will talk to you next time. Bye.